Today we're going to make a classic French omelette, just like they do in the best restaurants. We're going to use 2 eggs, and make sure to find the best quality eggs you can. That's the most important thing. So we're now going to beat the eggs using a fork, and make sure to mix the eggs well. If you watch carefully, you'll notice I'm not just going side to side while mixing. I'm lifting the eggs, and this is important if you want a fluffy, light and fluffy omelette. So this is exactly how they should look. We're now going to add some finely chopped chives. Now get a medium-sized Teflon pan and put it on medium heat. Add 2 cubes of butter. Now the butter has melted. And if you look carefully, you'll see that the butter is bubbling gently. That's the perfect temperature. We're now going to add our eggs. As soon as we add the eggs, we want to mix them as much as possible. Mix the eggs vigorously like this. This will ensure that no part of the egg will be undercooked or overcooked. It may look like you're making scrambled eggs, but I assure you this is exactly how you do it. The eggs are about half. This is the perfect time to season. A little bit of black pepper. And a pinch of salt. Put the pan on an angle and tap. What we're trying to do is get most of the egg on one side of the pan. Now take the thin side of the omelette and gently fold it towards the thick side of the omelette. If you'd like to add a filling of some kind, cheese perhaps, this would be the perfect time to add it. We're now going to do one more fold. As you can see, the omelette is still runny, and that's perfect. That's exactly what we want. Now take a warm plate and carefully roll out the omelette in the center of the plate. I'm brushing on a little bit of clarified butter. I will now add the garnish. I am using herbs that I have available in the garden at the moment. Today we're using basil, parsley, wood sorrel, and pimpernel. But feel free to use any other herbs you wish. And we're ready to serve. It's really amazing how something so simple can be so delicious. So let's cut this open and have a look. As you can see, it's soft and fluffy, light. This is what an omelette should be like. It's not too hard, it's not too runny, it's custard-like. That's exactly what you want. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more recipes and techniques. Happy cooking!